lie next to her and confess your love, as well as your falling can kneel before me and say I'm clean, but tell me now, where was my fault in loving